It is my pleasure as Secretary of the Ministry of Infrastructure Development to offer a few closing words on this truly historic occasion, the inauguration of Nepal's first road tunnel, the Nagdunga Sisnekola Tunnel. For decades, the Nagdunga Pass has stood as the western gateway of the Kathmandu Valley, and for just as long as one of the most congested and hazardous stretches on our national road network. Today, that chapter comes to a close. What happens? What opens in its place is not merely a tunnel through a mountain, but a tunnel through time, cutting travel time, Sisnekola and Balambu from over half an hour to a matter of minutes, and removing the risk of the hairpin bends and landslide prone slopes that generates that generation of travelers have had to endure. This achievement belongs to many hands. I want to acknowledge the vision of the government of Nepal in distinguishing this as a priority project and the steady partnership of the government of Japan, without which this project would not have been possible. The concessional financing extended through JICA reflects a friendship between our two nations that goes back many years and that has already given Nepal projects like Sinduli Road. This tunnel is the latest and perhaps the most visible expression of our friendship. I would like to thank the President of JICA and the Ambassador of Japan for Nepal for honoring us with your presence today and for your country's unwavering commitment to Nepal's development. Your engineers and ours worked side by side through geological surprises, a global pandemic, and the sheer difficulty of building in young Himalayan rock. And what stands before us today is proof of what that partnership can achieve. I also want to record our deep appreciation for the contractors and consultants who carried out these constructions, and above all for the workers, Nepali and Japanese alike, whose labor, patience, and skill made this tunnel a reality. Many of these gained, Many of them gained for the first time direct experience in mountain tunnel construction, a body of knowledge that will serve Nepal well as we look forward further tunnel and infrastructure projects across the country. To the Honorable Minister, Mr. Lamsal, thank you for your leadership and for gracing this occasion as our chief guest. Under your guidance, the ministry remains committed to ensuring that this tunnel is operated safely, maintained diligently, and managed transparently so that the benefit of this investment reaches to the people of Nepal for generations to come. As we open this tunnel to traffic, let us also open our minds to what it represents, that Nepal, despite its difficult terrain, can build ambitious infrastructures when there is political will, technical partnership, and patience. This is only the first tunnel. It will not be the last. On behalf of Ministry of Infrastructure Development, I thank all our distinguished guests, our development partners, and the people of Nepal for their patience over these years of construction. May this tunnel carry not just vehicles but also the continued goodwill between Nepal and Japan safely and swiftly for many years to come. Thank you very much.